Hi guys! Welcome to a little bit of everything. I am Melissa Athalia, and today I'm going to be trying the Crest Whitestrips treatment. But the difference between this one and the one that I tried the last time is that this is a Supreme Flex Fit $500 professional treatment. So this is a little bit different than the one I tried last time. It does cost more. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was bought like $65 or $70 around there. I can't remember very well, but I think that it probably will work better. I was going to do my whitening treatment with my dental office, but guess what? $300? I don't think so. So I kind of just decided, you know what? Why not try the more expensive one? At first, I was hesitant to buying it because I thought it was too expensive, but then thinking about having the whitening treatment from my dental office with the gel and the retainers, I thought it would probably end up being the same thing. It's still, my cost sensitivity to your teeth. It's still a process that you have to do it to, probably for, I don't know how long, maybe a month or I don't know how long it works for the dental office. But I know for sure that just for the gel, retainer, and all that to get the whitening process done, it's $200. Now, if you want to do the gel to take home and do that, and then in office they do the white lightning thing, that costs about $300. So I kind of figure, well, if I spend like $70 on this, or maybe buying 2 kits of this, will end up being still less than $200. So I bought it so I can see if it works, and if it does work, then I will give it a thumbs up, and you can go ahead and try it yourself and save yourself some money from spending it at your dental office. Now, the process for this is the same as the other one that I bought last time. The only difference is the time that you leave it on. So step 1 is to peel it, and then step 2 is to stretch it and put it on your top and your bottom, and then the actual package will tell you what is the bottom strip and what is your top strip for your teeth. And then the third step is to actually just leave it there for an hour or 30 minutes, whatever kit you get. Now, the first kit that I got was for 30 minutes. Each time I would put it on for 30 minutes. And this time it's actually 60 minutes, an hour, just to go ahead and put it, to leave it there for an hour. So the whole point of this is to have my teeth whiter. They're not as white as I want them to be. So I'm trying to get them white to a point where I don't have to do this chemical process of whitening my teeth. I want to find a natural way of maintaining them white, but I want to try this before. And it does say that it's enamel safe. So they're the same ingredients that they use at the dentist's office. So let's see if it works. If it's worth saving $100 or $200, I would definitely tell you that it works, and you can definitely go buy it at the store, which will be cheaper than going to the dentist. So it does say that it comes with 42 strips. That's a total of 21 treatments for upper and bottom strips. So that means that for 21 days, I will be doing this treatment, and we'll see the before and we'll see the after. So before anything, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and leave comments below and give ideas of what you want for my next video to be. Alright, so for those of you that haven't seen the last video of how to apply these strips, you can see that the longer one is for the top teeth and the shortest one is for the bottom teeth. And all you gotta do is peel it and then put it on your teeth. Alright, so I have the strip right here, and I am going to apply it to my teeth. Make sure it doesn't touch your gums, because otherwise it will burn. there for an hour, and once you take the strips off, you brush your teeth like you normally do, and make sure you don't swallow try not to swallow a lot your saliva. Try not to swallow a lot your saliva because it can irritate your throat because of the chemicals. So make sure that frequently you go to the bathroom and spit, you know, and try not to swallow the saliva. And then again, brush your teeth like you normally do once you take the strips off. So see you in 21 days. Alright guys, so it's been 21 days. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like my teeth aren't as white as I wanted them to be for the reason that I've been drinking caffeinated drinks like tea, coffee, red drinks that have been staining my teeth. And I do have to advise, if you're a coffee drinker, you might not get the results that you want. However, if you can make a sacrifice and trying to not drink any dark drinks to make this process better, I would recommend it. I know that you're spending all that money, so let it be worth it. But in my situation, I feel like it's a little lighter, but it's not as light as I want them to be. So I will continue doing the treatment until I get it as white as I want it to be, and then going after, I will be making a video of natural ways of keeping your teeth white once they're white. So and those remedies are like lemon and baking soda. So that will be something that I'll be probably talking about later on once I have my teeth to where I want them to be. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be seeing you next time. Bye.